and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching, liking, commenting, even for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. Feel welcomed. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health to make sure that we live or we have a healthy lifestyle. So today we have a very simple recipe. We'll be preparing homemade bread spread. I think you're going to give it a name after we see what we have. But remember, in nutrition, it's all about mixing those healthy ingredients that can make your body or can help you have all the nutrients that your body requires. So today we're going to prepare a homemade bread spread just to spice up your bread, your bun, or anything else that you might be taking for breakfast. We are going to use very simple ingredients, simple recipe that you can just prepare early morning when going to work. So let's see what we have for our ingredients. So this is what we have. We have an avocado. Of course, when you want something maybe creamy, you might consider bringing an avocado. So you have an avocado. We have one ripe banana, small sized. Then we have njugu karanga, or the peanut. We are going to use them. Then we have natural yogurt, or the unsweetened natural yogurt. So that's all we have. First I'm going to, and of course we have I don't have a bread, but we have a bun that you're going to spread after coming up with the final product. Let me say the final product. So there we have a bun. I think the first step is kuzibonda, just to make the blending easy, because you're going to mix everything, then we blend. So this is the first step. These are our peanuts ama njugu karanga, just the kawaida ones, zile tu za kawaida. Maybe you can let me get to know the comment section. Unakulanga njugu za nini? You know, they come with lots of health benefits. Like, they are absolutely good for the diabetics. You find that the peanut butter or the njugu themselves, they have a glycemic of less than 14. So that means they're diabetic friendly. And also peanuts, they are good source of amino acid. We call it L-arginine, which has been shown to boost libido. Yes. So kwa wenye mnakulanga njugu juu ya hiyo maneno, it's true, they do. The L-arginine, it's a strong amino acid, because even most of the libido boosters, hizo zenye hununuliwa, unaweza zipata, they have the L-arginine. So instead of going for maybe for those stuffs, why don't you consume them naturally? So hapo siona nimekupea a good idea. So they're almost good. They're almost ready. And also the peanut, they are a good source of healthy fats, or what we refer to the unsaturated fatty acids. the healthy fats, hearty friendly. I think that way they are good. You see, they are somehow powdered. Like I've said, nutrition, it's all about mixing healthy ingredients and also trying new recipes. Instead of maybe taking your bread daily with peanut, why don't you maybe try something else closer to what you're taking? Like the one that we'll be preparing, it's more of a peanut butter. So this is what we have. Then I think now we can just mix everything. Then we have the unsweetened natural yogurt. I usually like the unsweetened one because in any case, if I want to sweeten my yogurt, I like doing maybe the strawberries or a banana, but I always go for natural yogurt. Then first I'm going to start with adding the yogurt. That's our yogurt there. Our peanut. Wow, njugu karanga. You can just add everything. Then I'm just going to add just a small piece of avocado. And by the hata avocado unaweza spread tu kwa bread hivo. But this is another way of incorporating your avocado. Don't mind, I had washed my hands. Here's our avocado. That's enough for this one. I think hapa imebaki mingi. Also, as you continue watching this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like, and also let me get to know the comment section what you use for your bread. And maybe have you tried maybe any homemade recipe? You can let me get to know the comment section. So that is our avocado. Just going to add a small piece of banana. You can either use a banana or maybe you can choose to sweeten your spread with maybe honey. But let's use just like a small banana. And now it's time to blend everything. And let's see what we have and give it a name. I think that's enough. Let's see what we have. But of course we have something. Just transfer it here in a bowl. Just going to put it here, and let's try to spread some. And also I think it's very cheap, it's very economical. Like an avocado with 20 bob, you can get a good size. And like umeona the piece yenye tumetumia, only this, just a small piece. A banana, just a half a banana. Then njugu, the peanut, they are just all over. So it's again very economical compared to buying all these spreads that we have in our supermarket. This is very simple and very healthy. And so this is our spread, what we have. Very creamy and very healthy. Maybe I can taste to nisikie imechukua taste ya nini, whether it's the avocado or the peanut. I think it's just a cocktail of everything. I can feel the banana. There is that crunchiness of njugu karanga. Just a cocktail of everything. And now we can spread on our bread. Now we are done with this one. You can spread. This is my bun, a brown one. I think now we can spread. Like umeona, it's very cheap, affordable. Ukikompea na zile vitu zote umenunua za kupaka mikate, you would go for this one. Very cheap. And so now and actually because it's very healthy, you can apply mingi venye unataka. Not like the margarine una apply juju sometimes. And so this is what we got after applying. And actually unaweza itumia the same spread that tumetengeneza. You can use it as a base when maybe you're doing your, what do we call them, a salad. So let's see. And so this is what we have. I don't know whether it's clear, you can see, but like we've prepared. Umeona, this is the kind of venye inakuwa ikiwa, it's so creamy, and also uko sure of what you've used. And so this is what tumetengeneza. I think we can call it I will give it a name on the comment section, but maybe we can call it peanut avocado home spread. I think we can call it that way. And like I have said, nutrition, it's all about playing around with the healthy ingredients so that you can combine everything and you just consume a healthy product that you are sure of. And when anything is homemade, anything umejitengenezea, you are very sure of the sanitation, of the hygiene, kule kwenye umetoa your ingredients, you are very sure. So this is our homemade spread, our homemade bread spread that you can use on your bread when making your salad. You can apply it on your buns, and you get to consume a healthy breakfast. So that's all I had for you today. Let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section, and also give this video a like. You can share, comment. Let me get to know maybe what else would you like us to prepare, any homemade thing you'd like us to prepare. It could be homemade yogurt, it could be how to make a strawberry bread spread. Let me get to know the comment section. But for now, this is what we have: a homemade bread spread, a very healthy one. And also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to be among the first people to get notified. And also subscribe for more than nutrition tips, nutrition education, health education, and everything you need to know about nutrition and health. Bye bye.